Hello, welcome to today's daily message. During this Easter season, we are called upon to reflect upon the meaning of the love that Jesus showed us by dying and rising. Jesus taught us and showed us that to love means three things. First of all, it means to be committed to the truth. Second, it means to be committed to others. And third, it means to be willing to walk the path of suffering. My question for our reflection today is, what does it mean to love ourselves? What does love of self look like? So let's examine those three aspects. First of all, love of self is committed to the truth. It's committed to the whole truth of who we are. It means that we understand, we accept, we embrace, and we're willing to share all the many gifts, all the many skills, the talents that God has given to us. We're willing to share them freely with others. It also means, though, that we understand, accept, and even embrace those things that hold us back from being our best self. We learn how to manage them so that we don't inflict them on others. To love ourselves means to be committed to the people in our lives. It means that we care for the people whom God has given us to love without condition, no matter what. We simply love them. We simply do for them what they need in each and every moment. And third, to love ourselves means to be willing to walk the path of suffering. And what that means, I think, is that we are willing to pay the consequences for living the truth of our values, for living the truth of our Christian life, even when it makes us unpopular, even when we face rejection because of it, even when we risk being misunderstood because of that truth. And so my question again is, what does love of self look like for you and for me? What does it mean for us to truly love ourselves? Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day today.